Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIOA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute time frame in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that the price has been making a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its lows right here, and then you look at where the price ultimately closed today, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls have definitely been making a nice little bounce here. But this does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is right down here at 9 cents. Why is 9 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength. So if a bounce is truly a bounce, well, it's going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 9 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that the price is just broken out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set right there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to begin to make progress. And in this situation, I am defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as 9 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward at this point in time. It's all about that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move its way downwards and get more and more relevant. So keep an eye on that. That'll definitely be that key hurdle that the bulls are going to have to cross up above to continue to show some signs of strength and keep this show on the road. But as it stands right now, no doubt about it, nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.